today, I would like to get into dashboarding and show you some dashboards. So these dashboards were made through Microsoft's very powerful dashboarding and analytic tool called Power BI. So this is just a very high level general dashboard of some information. And one of the key points that I want to show about this dashboard is the ability to drill down into various data points. So as you can see here, I have a general sales pipeline. This might be a manager's dashboard. You could have a sales rep's dashboard that's the exact same, but the information is specific to the sales rep. It really depends on the needs of your organization. But let's say, for example, I just want to see the information that's going on with this develop stage of the sales pipeline. I can actually click the develop stage, and all the other information on the graph, as you can see here on the looking ahead, it's adjusted to only show what is on my, or what data point I selected on the graph. If I do that again, it will actually drill back up to all the data that is displayed on the graph. So they make it very easy for you to drill down into the data. And one thing I always say to customers that makes Power BI so powerful is a lot of the times when you had to pull reports from Excel or from a database using Excel, you would need 6 or 7, sometimes 8, 9, 10 reports to for a simple meeting where you're going through some sales numbers and then individual sales rep numbers, and then drill down into product lines. You can do all of that with one dashboard and just drill down. So you're going from 7 paper dashboards that you would need into a meeting to one live dashboard that will display all the same information that those 7 Excel reports will display to you. So it's very, very powerful stuff. One of the other things that I want to show is the ability to add filters and quickly filter down through information. So if I'm looking at a dashboard of the opportunities that I currently have open, just general information about those opportunities, as you can see, I have filters on the left-hand pane here. I can say, show me stuff that's between 2019 and 2020 and filter that way with these bars. I can say filter by opportunities that are between specific revenue or between a specific revenue threshold. So if you want to look at your elephant deals that you have in your pipeline, you can actually identify, the lowest value, enter that into the filter, and it will filter all these graphs based on this filter. Some of the other things you can do is I can say, I want to see all of Canada as opposed to the US and Canada. I want to see Central Canada. So as you can see, it's drilling down. I want to see just Ontario East. It's further drilled down. And I want to see just Barb's numbers. So it's drilled down to Barb. And I can go right back up to the top very quickly by clicking that button again, and it brings me out from the filter there. So there's a lot of dashboards I could get into as well that we have built into here, as you can see. However, I don't have the time to get to them all, and every organization usually has some sort of customer niche needs for dashboarding. So we like to work through your dashboarding requirements with you and build out those dashboards that will reduce those 7 reports down to 1 for that key sales meeting that you have at the end of every month.